Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change your account type in the Kahoot app on your phone. This is useful if you want to switch between roles like student, teacher, or business user. By the end of this video, you will be able to update your account. First, open the Kahoot app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then, in the top right corner, click on the settings icon. From the Settings menu, choose Profile Settings. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Account Type. Tap on Account Type to view the available options. You will see different account types, such as Business, Teacher, Home, and Student. Choose the account type that best fits your needs. Once selected, your account will update immediately with the new role. This allows you to access features and settings designed for that specific account type. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.